Hi, this is Truman. Here are the 5 great things that happened at Gen Impact in October. First, we launched a brand new portfolio feature called Know Your Portfolio. With this Know Your Portfolio feature, you're now able to see important information such as what is the average revenue growth of my portfolio, or what is the average dividend yield of every single security I have in my holdings. It's actually the type of information that every single user is asking for, but to make all of them available in one single place and really digestible to understand is actually quite difficult. But here we're able to tell you that we have that feature ready for you. Second, we launched our app tutorials on our YouTube channel. Investing today is still quite full of jargons and we don't buy into any of that. That is why we have our own app tutorials that just walks you through the basics about investing, how to analyze a company, how to find investment ideas, as well as how to monitor your portfolios. Gen Impact is all about investment education. That is why going forward, we're going to produce more content around investments. And make sure you follow our channel, and hopefully we can become helpful for you along the way. Number 3, we are becoming social with our notes feature. And with notes, you are able to share ideas instantly with your friends and learn from others. And you can form a community of knowledge sharing and idea generation. We are busy testing this feature internally and with our alpha users, and make sure you follow this area. It's coming very soon. Number 4, 100% automated referrals. Our old referral process is slow and clunky. That is why with our brand new referral process, everything is becoming 100% automated. You can now invite your friends to Gen Impact with just a simple click. And once they get the link, all they need to do is to follow the link, download the app, and then sign up. And once they've done that, automatically both of you will get some free premium to your accounts. So no more entering the code, no more waiting. Everything is now automatic and you don't need to do anything manually other than just a simple tap. And finally, number 5, it's been a busy October to welcome new members to join the team. We have Adam, who joins as a software engineer, and also Miguel and Amara, who joins into our marketing team. And all of them have been super productive. They learn things very fast and they've started taking initiatives already. With them, we're now able to ship features much faster. So that's a wrap for October. November is going to be even more exciting.